Welcome, everybody. Ever wanted to make sure no one accidentally follows up with a lead who's no longer interested? Today, we'll be exploring the Lock Unlock feature in Origami workflows. As you can see, this feature allows us to automatically lock specific fields when a lead's status changes, preventing any unwanted updates or communication. This keeps your workflows clean, your team focused, and your data protected. In this video, we'll walk through how to create a workflow that locks the lead details group when a lead status changes. So without further ado, let's dive in. Let's head back to the Leads page and review the workflows we've already set up. Go to Settings, then Workflows, where you'll see a list of all active workflows in the system. From here, you can either duplicate an existing rule or start fresh by clicking Add New Rule. Let's go ahead and create a new rule to see how we can manage leads by locking fields when their status changes. First, let's select the trigger type as instance or fields. Let's give it a name such as Cold Lead Lock and a description. Now let's configure the trigger settings. Under Select Trigger, we'll choose On Field Update, which means our workflow will activate the moment a specific field changes. Next, under Execute Trigger, we'll select After, so the action takes place right after the update is saved. Then, in Select Fields, we'll pick Status, since we want this workflow to run when a lead's status is updated. Now it's time to define the conditions that will trigger our workflow. Under Select Fields to filter, we've chosen the status field, since that's the key indicator for lead engagement. For the function, we've selected Includes and set the value to Cold Lead. This setup ensures that our workflow will only run when the lead's status is updated to Cold Lead, meaning the lead is no longer interested in our services. By filtering specifically for this status, we're making sure the rule only applies in this case and avoids affecting other workflows tied to different statuses. Now, we're moving on to the Action step. Under Select Action, we're going to choose Lock Unlock, which allows us to control whether certain fields in the lead's form can be edited. In this workflow, we're going to select Lock because we want to prevent any changes once a lead is marked as Cold Lead. This helps ensure that our account managers don't continue following up with leads who are no longer interested, keeping our communication professional and protecting the company's reputation. Now we need to define exactly what we want to lock. Origami gives us the flexibility to choose between locking the whole instance, a specific field group, or even individual fields. For this workflow, we're going to lock only the lead details field group. This allows us to restrict access to sensitive lead information once the status changes, making sure our team focuses only on active, engaged prospects. Let's go ahead and click Create New Rule to activate our workflow. Now let's see it in action. Head back to our Leads page, open any lead, and change the status to Cold Lead. And just like that, voila! You'll see the Lead Details field group instantly locked, ensuring no further edits can be made. It's a simple, powerful way to guide your team's actions and keep your process disciplined and efficient. That's it for today. Let us know if you have any questions by contacting us directly through the link of our website here or by email at hey@origami.ms. And we will be glad to get back to you the soonest. Next up is to further explore how to update fields by converting a lead to a client.
Yeah.